This is the 12 pack of the microfiber clean cloths right here. These are really nice clean cloths. We are a repeat buyer of this brand. We use these a lot for a lot of different clean projects. From cleaning inside a house to cleaning outside in like a car, things like that. They just have a lot of different uses. These are 11 by 11. You did 4 different colors. You did pink, you did yellow, you did green, you did blue. These are really great. We use these for glass clean projects. You name it. These are just, they're super absorbent, lint free. They're very, very durable, and they're very, very soft as well. So what we'll usually do is we usually fold these up into like like this way right here, and this way you'd have several different areas to clean on. We'll use these from like waxing a car to the most recent thing we're using this for was clean the shower glass door in a shower. Just does a really nice job with the glass cleaner. This is just a lot better than paper towels. We used to use paper towels for a lot of those projects, but they just leave a lot of lint. This is a lint-free option when you're cleaning right here. And best is it's just reusable. Paper towels, just use it, throw it in the garbage, and just have to keep buying them. This 12 pack here is gonna last a long time. And again, 11 by 11.5 by 11.5. So you did a lot of coverage area here, and you get 12 different ones here. So you could match these up. You'd have 4 different colors, so you could keep them for different uses. Just a really nice package here. Again, we're a repeat buyer of this brand here. Really great microfiber cloths. Highly recommend picking these up for your cleaning projects.